Congratu-
Congratulated.
congratulated congratulated the child for
Averting.
accident
Averting.
averting the train accident.
Hmm.
Option A, train driver. Option B, ticket checker. Option C, guard. Option D, station master. My answer is option C, guard.
Yes, God. Why God congratulated the child? Who will say?
Hello, ma'am.
हाँ बेटा.
Ma'am, because will train accident, he
Hmm.
will guard coming.
No, no, no. I said you of that story. Remember? No one remembers. You know that boy? I said you about that boy. He was crossing the. He was going to school and crossing the road. Yes, at that time he saw a train, railway track होती है ना जो train की track on which the train goes. Yes, that track was broken. What was it, beta? It was broken, है ना? So what did the child see? He saw that as the track is broken, beta, what did he see? As the track is broken, he saw that he will meet with an accident. Yes, train will met with an accident. So what did he do? He removed his red color. He had worn at that time red color shirt. Okay. So he removed at that time the red color shirt and showed the driver as a signal, train driver as a signal, and averted the train to occur an accident. Right. So that is why the guard from the train who was in the train, he congratulated the child that he has done a good work. Why he congratulated the child? That he has done a good work, right? For averting means what? For stopping the train accident, right? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, chalo revise it once more. Paryani Safik revise second time.
Who congratulated the child for acting,
Averting.
averting the train accident? Option A, train driver. Option D, ticket checker. Option D, C, guard. Option D, station master.
Yes.
Answer is option D, guard.
नहीं, option D नहीं, option C. Okay.
Option C.
Yes, okay, chalo. See, this happens, okay, when you are giving your exam at that time also, you will take mark wrong and read the right. ऐसा नहीं करना है, okay? आराम से check it properly and always online exam हो या offline exam हो, you have to always be alert and you have to recheck your answers, okay, beta? All of you, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, okay. Continue, Shafiq, then Hassan.
Yes, ma'am. Number two, which leader of our nation is also in
Hmm.
accident? Option A, Gandhiji. Option B, Vallabhbhai Patel. Option D, Jawaharlal Nehru. Option D, Subhash Chandra Bose.
Hmm.
Ma'am, answer is option B, Vallabhbhai Patel.
Yes. So what is he known as? Sardar
Sardar
Vallabhbhai.
Vallabhbhai Patel.
Yes, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Very good. Chala. Yes, beta. Next one.
Yes, ma'am. Number third, on which festival did the Britishers erected the statue of uh,
Statue बोलते हैं क्या बोलते हैं?
statue statue at the center of Megharaj village?
Hmm.
Option A, Ramnavami. Option B,
Ram Navami.
Ramnavami. Option B, Diwali. Option C, Janmashtami. Option D, Holi. Ma'am, answer is Holi.
Yes. On the festival of Holi. Remember the story of Meghraj village or forgot? Huh? Remember or not?
No, ma'am, no remember. No, ma'am, no remember.
Everyone forgot? Hassan, you also forgot?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, on the day of Holi, beta, wait 1 minute. Is there a question also? Hmm. Read this answer. I'll say the story then. Hassan, read this answer.
Ma'am, question 4 no?
Yes.
Yes. Question number 4. What law was made in Megharaj village on the Osh- Ocean
Occasion.
occasion of Holi? Answer 4. The law made by the Britishers on the occasion of Holi in Megharaj village was that the British officials made a statue of a man without any clothes. They named it as Laji.
Yes, Laji. Yes.
Laji. It was erected in the center of the village. It was compulsory for the village to move around this statue on the day of Holi.
Hmm. So it was made compulsory. See, what did the Britishers do on the occasion of Holi in Meghraj village? You know बेटा मेघराज करके एक विलेज था वहां पे ओकेशन ऑफ होली मतलब होली होली के त्योहार के टाइम ओके ऑन द ओकेशन ऑफ होली व्हाट डिड ब्रिटिशर्स डू दे मेड अ स्टेच्यू यू नो नो व्हाट इज स्टेच्यू
Yes,
statue
ma'am.
huh? So
Yes.
they made a statue and on that day beta what happened ke making after making the statue they statue कैसा statue बनाते थे that the statue will wear no clothes एक मैन का स्टेच्यू और उस पे कोई क्लोथ नहीं ओके कोई कपड़ा नहीं राइट नो क्लोथ्स एंड व्हाट हैव द पीपल टू डू पीपल हैव टू मूव अराउंड द स्टेच्यू पीपल को क्या करना है
Move around the statue.
हाँ जैसे हम कैसे भगवान के इर्द गिर्द घूमते हैं हाँ
Yes.
है ना तो ऐसा तो फिर लोगों को पसंद नहीं आएगा कि हम क्यों ऐसे स्टेच्यू के अराउंड वी विल रोम अराउंड द स्टेच्यू मूव अराउंड द स्टेच्यू right so people were not liking but still people were not speaking anything because they were scared of britishers right and as the britishers had made it compulsory है ना to move around the statue which was a statue of man without any clothes right so it was made compulsory for the villagers to move around the statue on the day of Holi but the people did not like right to move around the statue so beta Poonam Chand and his friends broke the statue of Laji on the previous night of Holi, and so this rule was removed. What was it removed, beta? This
The,
rule was removed, right? Yes,
yes.
understood.
Yes.
Yes, what was made on the festival of Holi? Who will say me in Meghraj village?
Ma'am, Hassan can say.
Yes, Hassan say
Ma'am, one statue of man without clothes.
yes. And what had the people to do?
Ma'am, people that village people have to
Hmm.
compulsory around that statue. That
Move around.
move around that statue that no have clothes.
Hmm.
It
Yes,
is compulsory to move around.
it was compulsory, right? Yes.
Yes.
So will they like? People will like?
No, ma'am.
Why? Why they will not like?
Because, ma'am, the statue is no clothes and
Yes. So people will not like, right?
yes.
Yes. So this way, the evil practice was removed. Yes. And who broke the statue?
Poonam, Poonam and Chandu.
पूनम एंड चंदू नहीं पूनम चंद पंड्या एक ही इंसान है and his friends. Okay, Poonam Chand Pandya and his friends broke the statue at the previous night of Holi. ओके, होली के अगली रात को उन्होंने वो स्टेच्यू तोड़ दिया। अब स्टेच्यू टूट गया है तो फिर किसी को स्टेच्यू के अराउंड घूमना नहीं है, राइट?
Hmm.
यस, अंडरस्टूड।
Yes. Yes.
हु ब्रोक द स्टेच्यू?
Poonam.
पूनम चंद पंड्या
Poonam Chand Pandya.
एंड
Poonam
हिज
Chand Pandya
फ्रेंड्स। ओके,
and his friends.
हाँ, ओके, यस, चलो नंबर फोर्थ वन।
Okay. Number four. Dash is a freedom fighter who sacrificed his life for the freedom of our country. Option A. Chandrasekhar Azad. Option B. Venu Gopal. Option C. P.V.
उपाध्याय,
Upadhyay.
उपाध्याय।
Upadhyay. Option D. Dev Yachandra Azad. Option A. Chandrasekhar Azad.
Yes, what will be the answer? Chandrasekhar
Az-
Azad. Yes. This story, तो you remember ना? For Chandrasekhar Azad,
yes,
I said you.
yes,
है
yes,
ना?
yes, yes.
Yes. What was it?
Ma'am, when we our country got freedom, so Chandrasekhar go and means उसने our Indian flag
Hmm.
in first, but British are not allowed to host
Hoist a.
Indian flag.
Hmm.
Britishers so uh, that why so Britishers
अच्छा, मैंने एक
couldn't
स्टोरी
judge.
बोली थी कि how did Chandrasekhar Azad how get his name Azad? Do you remember or not?
Yes, yes.
What was his real name?
Mm.
Chandrasekhar. His real name was
Chandrasekhar Sitaram.
Sitaram Tiwari. Okay. Chandrasekhar Sitaram Tiwari. What was his real name?
Chandrasekhar Sitaram Tripati.
Then how did he get the name Chandrasekhar Azad?
Because ma'am Chandrasekhar like that I live in as in means freedom
हाँ,
freedom constituents freedom
yes,
work. So I am
yes, yes.
Azad.
No, no, I will say you wait. You know, when Chandrasekhar Azad, Chandrasekhar Sitaram Tiwari was very small at the first time when he was caught by the Britishers. है ना, जब ब्रिटिशर्स ने उन्हें पकड़ा था तो ही वॉज वेरी स्मॉल, एज उनकी बहुत कम थी। and at that time, બેટા, police did not have the handcuffs of his size. Handcuffs એટલે કે જે હાથમાં પહેરવાની હથકડી હોય ને, जैसे गुने you have seen no handcuffs,
Yes ma'am.
है ना? तो ब्रिटिशर्स पुलिस डिड नॉट हैव हैंडकफ्स ऑफ हिज साइज, ही वाज सो स्मॉल, बट but still see, Chandrasekhar Sitaram Tiwari had the feeling for the freedom of our nation. He was so small, then also he had to do the, ये तमन्ना, ये ख्वाहिश थी कि देश के लिए कुछ करना है, ये जज्बा था चंद्रशेखर सीताराम तिवारी में कि नहीं, हमें हमारे देश के लिए कुछ करना है, फ्रॉम वेरी स्मॉल एज, right? Then when he was arrested and when he was presented in the court, है ना, कोर्ट में जब पेश करते हैं ना जज के सामने, right? At that time when the judge asked him कि what is your name, so at that time Chandrasekhar Sitaram Tiwari did not say कि my name is Chandrasekhar Sitaram Tiwari. What did he say? My name is Azad. What did he say? My
As
name is Azad, right? So at that time, from that day onwards, Chandrasekhar Sitaram Tiwari is known as Azad. Chandrasekhar Azad. Is it clear? Means what he said? K I am Azad means what? K no one can rule on my country. I am from free India country, right? And I will give my country the independence. Azadi dilwaunga, right? That is why he said कि no one can catch me and put behind the bars, है ना? And so my name is Azad. So from that day onwards, he is known as Chandrasekhar Azad. Is it clear?
okay ma'am.
Yes,
Yes
chalo
ma'am.
next one.
Yes ma'am. Number 5. Who broke the statue made by the Britishers in Megharaj village? Option A. Vinod Singh. Option B.
P. Kumar.
ऑप्शन बीपी है कि ऑप्शन पी कुमार है?
पी कुमार है. बी इज द क्वेश्चन नंबर.
ओके, ऑप्शन बी पी कुमार. ऑप्शन सी पूनम चंद पूनम चंद पंड्या. ऑप्शन डी रंजीत गुप्ता. मैम आंसर इज पूनम चंद पंड्या.
Yes, I said you the story, right? That Punam Chand Pandya broke the statue made by the Britishers in Meghraj village, right? किस
यस.
फेस्टिवल किस फेस्टिवल पे स्टेच्यू बनाते थे? When which festival?
होली.
हाँ, होली. Very good. चलो.
होली.
Yes, right. Absolutely right.
Right, absolutely right. Ma'am, no, ma'am, you have not explained us the story about Poonam Chand Pandya.
Who is it?
Yes. Beda, yes.
Ayaz, अभी भी मैंने बोली स्टोरी. आप अभी ज्वाइन हुए? Did you join right now?
Yes, ma'am, I joined now.
Okay.
Before 10 minutes ago.
ओके. मैंने स्टोरी एक्सप्लेन की. आप फिर से सुनना चाहोगे तो हसन को बोलती हूँ, बोले. ठीक है. लेट अस सी हाउ मच ही रिमेम्बर्स. Hassan, can you say? I'll turn that answer. See, Ayaz. First, Hassan will read the answer and then he will say some points on story. Yes, Hassan, read.
Okay, ma'am. Question number fourth. What law was made in Megharaj village on the occasion of Holi? Answer 4. The law made by the Britishers on the occasion of Holi in Megharaj village was the British official made a statue of a man without any clothes. They named it as Laji. It was erected in the center of the village. It was compulsory for the villagers to move around the statue on the day of Holi. Yes, ma'am. Uh, here, uh, here in question is asked that.
Ayaz, listening, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Listening. You are listening, no?
Yes, yes, ma'am. Yes,
Listen,
ma'am.
then I'll ask you questions, okay, Ayaz?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Hassan, say.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, here in question asked that what law means what rule in Megharaj village. There is one village, Megharaj, on the occasion of Holi. Means what rule was made by Britishers only make the rule. So what rule is made in Megharaj village? In village Megharaj, on which in one festival of Holi. In the festival of Holi, there is made one rule in Megharaj village. The law made by the Britishers on the occasion of the Holi in Megharaj village was that the British official made a statue of a man without any clothes. Yes, ma'am, that law means rule that Britishers made in Megharaj village in festival of Holi is that Britishers
Statue of man.
have made one statue of man without any clothes. Means no clothes, only one statue. No
Of a
clothes
man. Of a man.
of a man and no clothes.
Yes, and that statue was given the name Laji.
The Britishers give the name that statue Laji. It was erected in the center. Means it put means made in center of the village. It was compulsory for the village to move around the statue on the day of Holi. Sorry.
And it was made compulsory. Hassan, Ayaz, it was made compulsory for the villagers to move around the statue, right?
Yes.
On the day of Holi. Now, why will people like, बेटा, कोई भगवान नहीं, कोई देव देवता नहीं, तो ऐसे स्टेच्यू के अराउंड घूमना पीपल को थोड़ी ना अच्छा लगे, और वो भी फेस्टिवल के दिन, राइट? बट ब्रिटिशर्स had made compulsory, but everyone was scared of Britishers, so they did not take any steps, right, बेटा?
Yes.
And so,
Villagers like that we don't move around the statue, but British are compulsory. that
Hmm.
move around only
Hmm.
in festival of Holi.
Yes.
And then
So
so previous Holi, when the Holi, the previous night or day, uh, Poonam Chandanam
Poonam Chand Pandya.
Poonam Chand Pandya and his friends broke the statue that made by Britishers. So
Yes.
no statue and no move around it.
Yes. So everyone were very happy, right? Understood?
Yes.
I asked the story.
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm. Yes. Okay. Chalo. Chalo. Next one. Fill in the blanks, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm.
Into FB.
Yes. IS will read now.
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm. IS, you should say thank you to Hassan.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, sir.
And now be present on the time in the class, regular time, okay? Because I said this all the stories again. Okay, Hassan, Ayaz.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, chalo, continue.
Yes, ma'am. One who dies for his faith or belief in his country or city or village is called martyr.
Yes,
Yes,
MAR TYR.
MARTYR.
My voice is echoing. Just check it. Anyone's mic is on. Okay, chalo, next one.
Yes, ma'am. Our country achieved freedom on 15th August 1947.
Yes, 1947. Ayaz, mute your mic. And you know, beta, I explained you about 26 January 1950. Remember or not?
Ma'am, that rules and regulations.
Yes, and what is that known as?
Republic Day.
Book. What is that known as? What happened on 26 January?
Rules and regulations are made.
Rules and regulations were made, but where are they mentioned? All these rules and regulations in the Constitution. Okay, which book?
Yes, ma'am. In the
Constitution.
Constitution.
Hmm. Our Constitution. I admit your mic. Our Constitution was enforced on 26 January 1950. Is it clear?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Chalo, continue.
Yes, ma'am. In Meghraj village, it was made compulsory for the villagers to move around the
ये okay, continue.
made statue made by Britishers on the day of Holi.
Yes, absolutely right. What happened?
Ma'am, Amin Mehtar's mic is unmute.
Whose mic is unmute?
Amin Mehtar's mic is unmute.
Okay, I mean, Mehta, please mute your mic. Yes, continue.
Yes, ma'am. To honor the act of bravery by children up to 16 years of age, Bharat Award, Bharat Award was declared in the years of
19.
Bharat Award was declared in the year 1987.
Yes, absolutely right. Right. So means even if you do any bravery work, है ना, कुछ भी आप अच्छा काम करो देश के लिए, yes, for the benefit of the people, then you can also get this Bharat Award. Okay. Yes. Continue.
The credit of the success of
Satyagraha.
Satyagraha movement in Bardoli district of Gujarat goes to
Sardar Vallabhbhai
Sardar
Patel.
Vallabhbhai Patel. Sardar
Yes,
Vallabhbhai Patel.
absolutely right. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Okay, chalo. Yes, answer read करना हाँ बेटा.
Ma'am, Hassan can read.
Ma'am, only answers.
No means Mahatma Gandhi and
Yes,
the
ma'am.
Satyagraha like that.
Yes, ma'am.
Hassan, you read
Answer,
better.
ma'am.
I assume mute your mic. My voice is echoing in your mic.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, Hassan can read now.
हाँ.
Yes.
Paryani Shafiq is there if he wants to read.
Yes, ma'am, he is there.
Okay. Paryani Shafiq,
Yes, ma'am.
read better.
Make the column.
हाँ.
Make the column. Number 1, Mahatma Gandhi. Number 2, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Number 3, Chandrasekhar Azad. Number 4, Rani
Lakshmi Bai.
Lakshmi Bai. Number 5, Gujarat
Vidyapith.
Vidyapith.
देखो आंसर्स के साथ पढ़ना है. महात्मा गांधी तो सत्याग्रह लाइक दैट वे. ओके.
Okay, ma'am. Mahatma Gandhi, Satyagraha, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, Ahmedabad,
No. Iron Man.
Iron Man, Chandrasekhar Azad,
Chandrasekhar Azad. Martyr.
Martyr.
Martyr, Rani Lakshmi Bai,
Hmm.
Ahmedabad.
No. I will not give my chance.
I will not give
My
just
Chasi.
Jhansi, Gujarat, Vadi,
Gujarat
Vadia,
Vidyapith. Ahmedabad. It
Gujarat
is it?
Vidyapith, Ahmedabad.
Absolutely right. Chalo. So till we finished our revision, and I wish all of you best of luck for today's exam.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. See, give it on time. Okay. I'll be sending you the link at what time?
8 o'clock.
And at what time
8
the link
p.m.
will
8
get
p.m.
close?
12
p.m.
o'clock.
Yes. So what you have to do?
We have to prepare.
You have to prepare means what? You have to give the link on the time, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, all of you?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, chalo. So we'll end up our class now.
Okay, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Have a nice day.
Okay, ma'am. Bye.
I wish
Bye,
you all the
ma'am.
best, boys.
Bye,
Thank you,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Bye.
Thank
Bye.
you, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.